Hello, friends. I'm Gautam Govindan.
I'm Shami Chakrabarti,
I am Rahul Subramanian.
and this is Broke Studio, the podcast with
No edits.
What we are doing, Rahul, is at some point during this podcast, which we are starting now, you have to surprise us with a sneeze.
Oh, sneeze is such a tough thing to do.
But you can go as animated or weird.
Hacky.
Hacky.
Anything.
And you're-
Overboard.
we will give you score on timing, on
Overboardness.
overboardness. So at some point during this conversation, one sneeze you have to do.
Achoo.
Yeah, like,
Yeah, but
like
that's not overboard.
Animated.
You will lose points on overboard there.
Yeah, you have to go overboard.
Can you demonstrate once?
Like,
Oh, this is
Anything. Correct?
fine. Dude, this is too much pressure. I have to keep thinking about it. But no.
No.
Don't worry.
No, but
In case we don't get it, at the end we'll just get a sneeze and put it inside in the middle.
and then you'll put your
Yeah,
reaction.
we're just wasting space on the internet. That's our aim, basically. So Navi Mumbai Airport.
Yeah, it's very cool. Apparently, the real estate prices around have skyrocketed. Who would have thought?
Who would have thought,
Yeah.
right?
Not me.
So then the prices can be seen from the plane while you're taking off. 'cause
But
it's
you don't need.
skyrocketing.
You're quite. Are we doing the tall jokes still?
Always.
Yeah.
It's evergreen. We never stop them. All right. It's because height is such a visible thing that people automatically will be like, how's the weather up there? Is like it never stops.
Are we still doing how's the weather up there?
We are not doing,
I
but
mean, as
the
a society.
public is doing. Public never stops this. Uncles never give up on how's the weather up there.
That's so cool, yeah.
Yeah, and it is cool.
I-
That's my answer to the
It's quite
question.
cool. I'm not that tall because I'm scared of heights.
Yeah.
Oh, it was a
You have to
choice.
stop
It
yourself,
was a
right?
conscious
It's a conscious choice.
Yeah.
I mean, like, yes.
Fair enough. Yeah. That's good. Yeah.
Yeah?
Same. I'm also.
I mean, you choose your body.
yeah.
You choose your body.
Yeah. My body. Is a temple.
You.
I didn't know it was under my control. I would have stopped earlier then.
Yeah,
I would have stopped a little earlier.
Maybe you got distracted in college with
Yeah, actually.
Sex.
No.
No,
I
but
was.
books.
I was books. I was having sex
Whoa.
with books.
Damn.
Book cricket. I used to play book sex. It was another game.
Which page is top that Dick stops in? Oh, 4.
69 again. 69. Every page is page 69.
If the book cricket is such a scam, man.
I swear,
Yeah.
it's the way of telling yourself you played a game while you didn't do
But it
anything.
is the most dopamine rush you get.
I'm
it's so
saying,
quick. The
I'm
play.
saying I love the game,
Huh.
Yeah.
but people who play are scamsters.
They are.
They already keep the one part of their hand and then they just keep removing the same thing.
Yeah.
And there's a dumb kid who does not understand.
Yeah.
Who always keeps falling
It's
for
whose
it.
book is it? That's the person who wins.
Yeah.
They know their book well. They know where this stops. You gotta get a neutral book from someone else.
What were the rules? 0 is out.
Zero
is out.
6 is 6.
6.
And anything above 6 is 6.
Out.
It's out.
Depending.
Oh, yeah.
I
The
think it's
hard
out.
mode, it's out. You
Or
gotta-
test match, T20, different
Or
rules.
is it 2? I don't know.
I think out makes sense. It's a probability thing. It's like what would make the game fun.
There's nothing cricket in it. It's
Yeah.
just
Yeah.
books.
That's true.
Book math.
You know what's worse than book cricket? Have you ever played book football?
Book football.
It's the worst.
What do you, how do you play?
Even when I was a kid, I was like, why are we doing
What,
this?
American
Book
football?
cricket, I
or-
never questioned.
What is this?
How do you play?
You know how
Yards.
book football works is you keep a book open,
Yeah.
you draw 2 goals,
Yeah.
and you draw if dotted dots, you draw
Oh,
for
pen.
the
You
4-4-2
just
you
skid
draw.
the pen.
You
Yeah.
keep the pen on one player
Yeah,
and
I didn't like that game.
Yeah.
it's pathetic.
Because
It's a
it
pathetic.
tore books.
Yeah.
And books are for wisdom.
Yeah, that's why you just flip to a page, see the number. It's like, bro, this book is a real page turner. Oh yeah, what is it about? Cricket. Every book is about cricket if you play book cricket.
Yeah.
But this is a solid.
This is the
segment.
greatest start to a podcast.
Yeah,
ever.
yeah. Dude,
I
it's
didn't know.
captivating.
This is a power play right now.
Yeah.
We're scoring high runs right now.
How will the audience know if it started? They have to at least click, right? That they have some power.
The beauty,
They have
Yeah.
some control.
the beauty is that we will do an intro when they'll know it started, which is we do at the end. So don't worry.
Yeah.
We got this down to a science. A science.
It should start randomly at their house. It just start playing.
Yeah. Mid sentence.
Yeah.
It's actually that only. There was some podcast where we just like started off with Neville.
Yeah.
We just started off with yeah. So he plays badminton really
Yeah,
well.
yeah,
Like
yeah.
no interest. They didn't even know.
People are
But
what
I'm
was-
saying even people who are watching in their houses without them wanting, it should
Without
just start
clicking.
playing. It just start
Oh.
playing. You
Like
just-
that's how Instagram works.
Yeah.
Instagram, that's what you
Auto-scroll.
said.
Yeah.
You come up with Instagram. Like just hit them with a new.
Dude, what year are we in? We are not there yet.
Not
that's
yet.
it.
No.
There's a long time to go. Don't
And
worry.
you guys don't edit at all, right? Did you know anagram of edit is diet with a wrong spelling, D-I-T-E. Did you know this? Check it out. I'm not kidding. I just came to know. It's
But
true.
it's diet. What is the? It's diet with the right spelling also.
No, it's the wrong spelling. D-I-T-E is not the D-I-E-T is diet.
Yeah, but that's also edit's anagram.
But that's not what I'm talking about. Dude, what is this?
Why? When you have a nice answer, do you choose the?
But it is, right?
Yeah,
You are
it's also
correct.
Tide, but not Tide.
Yeah.
But not the detergent, but
Yeah.
the act of
Yeah.
sexual.
Yeah.
What?
Games.
Shoelace? Sexual.
It's also almost equivalent to time. Tide and time are very similar.
Yeah.
And they don't wait for
Yeah,
anyone. What detergent do you use?
Sasa.
Sasa?
No, I don't use Sasa, but I just thought of Sasa. We use some organic, eco-friendly. Yeah.
Is it front load or top load?
Clean
So you,
works.
you don't wash
What?
your clothes.
Front load or top load?
Depends on my mood. How I want to put it. Stop.
You
look up.
ask it where do you want it.
Listen, dude, I'm such a badass. I bought a top load washing machine, then I made it lie down. Now it's a front load. So I decide
Yeah.
what you are. You
That
don't
is-
tell me what you are.
Yeah.
You know?
Actually, the washing
Sometime,
machine
wait,
doesn't tell you anything.
If, if I'm
Yours
feeling
do-
freaky, I backload it sometimes. Turn
Backload.
it around.
No,
Yeah.
that's just disrespectful.
Just hold it.
My
Or as they say in Delhi, kya baklodi?
backload. I have the Whirlpool style washing machine. So that's a backload only.
But I have
You
a
have to
top.
press the button from here.
And when it's done, it says, oh.
What?
Because dog.
Yeah, go.
Yeah.
That's the style. I don't know
Yeah.
what
Why
you are
doesn't it
thinking.
stay in the start? Why only in the end does it realize
Also the-
what species it is?
Also, at the end of rinse cycle, the pipe comes out like from the side.
Yeah, the one side of the washing machine raises up.
And you have to take the washing machine for a walk, otherwise the water won't come out. it's a whole
But
thing.
it's very loyal.
I think
the
you
loyal.
have a dog. I don't think you have washing.
I'm putting my clothes in my dog's mouth and calling it a washing machine. It's spinning and all. It's spinning with my clothes. This is a ridiculous
No, but I have
idea.
a top load, and there is, I think, Green Works or Clean Works is the name of the detergent.
Okay.
It's very good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Do you segment your laundry? Like, do that?
Do you think I'm a psycho?
What is segment?
What
You mean
is a
whites
seg-
and
Like
colors?
whites, this one, like...
What is this one?
Whites and
non-whites. Yeah, you know, like the
Whites,
old
Caucasians.
times. Yeah, like
No,
the old
no,
times,
no.
whites
What
and
a-
non-whites.
No,
This
but
is-
just the heavy ones are separate.
Yeah. The boxers go in one, the gym wear and boxers are
No,
together.
I mix
The
everything.
shirts are, linen is somewhere separate.
Really?
Yeah.
I don't have enough linen clothes to have a separate linen
No,
cycle.
this I read from the side of a t-shirt, but
Yeah.
like, this is,
That's
people
the
do that.
way you're supposed to do
Yeah,
it.
wash care.
I get it. I mean, I obviously the heavy stuff, bed sheets and all.
They
that
go
goes on
because
its
you
own.
can't put so many.
Yeah.
Yeah,
You have to think of the washing machine.
yeah. It just seems wrong.
But I've learned something. I have some washing tricks.
Oh.
Like, and you can use it. If you want your clothes to last longer. If you don't, then I don't need to continue.
Yes. No, we
No,
want.
no,
we
we
want.
want.
You want? Okay,
Please.
wow. Yeah, this
Wow.
is
Please.
so good. And I've learned, what you have to do is, so if you're putting your t-shirt, you have to reverse it. Basically, you upside down
Huh.
and then put it, and they last longer.
Oh,
Yeah.
really?
Yeah, I don't know the logic, but we can guess.
But see,
First of all, we have to assume that this is true.
yeah, I have
Yeah,
to
it
first. I'm finding it hard to believe
Yeah.
because water is going from both
Yeah,
sides.
it's
No.
going inside.
Soap
It's
is
fabric.
But the
It's fine.
impact is generally on the,
Outer surface.
I'm guessing.
That's actually fair enough.
But and my friend, she is into the business of
Wash
making
washing.
t-shirts. So she also it's like learns.
So she probably doesn't want you to wash it inside out, so she can sell more of them.
Hey, no, yeah, she's very sweet. She won't dupe me into stuff.
No, not you.
Oh,
You
okay.
are a friend.
Yeah, yeah.
But the customer,
Uh-huh.
let's be honest, objectively, she doesn't want you to know this trick. The customer.
No, no, you're right. But I don't. She's very sweet.
Well,
She's
is she
not-
part of fast fashion?
She's a bad business person, you're saying.
She's
She
not
a
a
part-
fast, like it's like
Not
a
fast fashion?
like a slow,
Slow fashion.
like a
I
slow
like that.
fashion. And after Vikroli, it is fast.
Yeah.
See, you have two options, Rahul. Either she's a nice person, bad
a-
business person, or she's a horrible person but great business. You decide which
She's
one.
she's a nice person and a decent business person.
Yeah.
It's worse.
You
Yeah.
can't.
It's worse.
And- no, but
No, that's good. That's
but
good.
what if her business thing is quality over quantity. You've
Beautiful.
heard that, right?
Beautiful.
You've heard those
It's an
agencies.
old. I read it on a tablet, like a
Yeah.
wall of a cave. Quality of
Quality-
quantity.
that's the
Quality over
first
quantity.
cave
That's
painting,
that's the
yeah.
first thing
Man wrote. Yeah,
man
after
wrote.
how
Yeah.
to make fire.
No, the way it was done is they drew one animal
Yeah.
and they said tick mark
Tick.
and then a lot and they're like
Multiple small animals. They were like, no.
yeah. One good, many no.
Yeah.
Back of a truck also you'll see that.
Yeah. V2 hours one.
V2 hours one.
What? Back to the truck?
V2 hours one.
Yeah.
It's kind of another way of saying
Saying-
what
It's
we
an
are
expression of the same phrase.
Yeah.
saying. Yeah, it
It's
is. If unless you have a low quality child and then
You can't.
then your quantity over quality is what you choose.
But which child is high quality?
That's also a good point. I'm no expert.
A man child.
That's actually, let's be honest, all things kept aside, a man child is the most functional child.
Yeah.
They can work, they can have a job. What can a child do?
They can be manipulated.
Manipulate?
Ooh, manipulate.
Did you
child,
do a
yeah.
word play, bro?
Sometimes I do things I don't even realize. I'm just like,
You know what I like to do after wordplay? I like to so they know which game I'm playing.
I think if this podcast had an audience, they would be laughing so hard right now.
Whoa,
What is
roasting.
attacks, bro?
No, I think if this, sorry, rephrase. Okay, I think if this podcast had a live audience
Thank you so much.
and we ticketed this,
Yes.
they'll be laughing so hard.
I think they would, honestly.
No, that's what I thought. Why would you?
Oh,
I
okay.
genuinely.
It
answered-
felt very attacky.
I
We
don't
saw
know.
the loading of
I
the
think
gun.
we are always projecting because we
Yeah.
are always saying things sarcastically. We are like, this is sarcasm, of course. That's the only language I understand.
No.
But
I genuinely
Chandler
because this is so.
Bing,
I would have loved to be hearing this.
Yeah.
And for the
And
first
you can
time.
do other stuff and listen to
Yeah,
it.
but that audience is not a captive audience.
Yeah, this
That's
is like
true.
a second ear, not second screen.
So
You
you're
know
saying-
who's a captive audience? People who have been
Yeah,
kidnapped.
they are a captive audience.
If
Yeah.
you can just play this.
That's the podcast.
Yeah.
No, that's the podcast. We want a captive audience. So every podcast we kidnap people. You're a captive audience. No second screen bullshit. First screen. I am the first. You know what people are doing
Captive middle class, kidnapped middle class audience. They
Yes.
can't afford a second screen.
now? That's true.
Yeah.
That's true. They're like, what? एक screen तो ले लिया already. दूसरा screen चाहिए आप. You know what I realized recently? I went to watch a movie in. Are you a film buff, Rahul? Do you like?
I am. I mean, yeah.
Like, do you like to go to the cinema?
Yes, I love to go to the theaters.
Same.
We say theaters.
Theater.
in Mumbai.
Sorry.
Cinema.
Cinema hall. It's
He
absolutely.
also said something equivalent. He said.
Yeah,
roll
big
back.
words. Yeah.
Can you rewind?
Equivalent. You can't say.
GRE.
The two MBAs are saying don't say
GRE,
equivalent.
GRE, we don't really.
GMAT people don't like GRE people.
GRE,
GRE
bro.
people, they're like baap ka paisa.
Yeah.
Baap ka paisa. Look at these evil.
He could have said equal. He said equivalent.
Yeah.
That time only I judged him.
Oh, wow.
Okay, you can rewind, right? Rewinding is not editing, right?
Yeah, no.
Rewinding is
Rewind
allowed.
and go
We can
to.
rewind the same, not fast, slowly we can rewind.
1x only. Rewind is 1x. 1x rewind is allowed. You can't rewind 2x.
Yeah.
That's wrong. But sorry, I had.
But actually, we don't even have to do this. Hey, you guys watching on YouTube, you
Yeah.
Yeah.
just go back and see.
That's
right?
true. They can rewind like this. It's in your hand. You are God virtually. But I was saying, I say cinema.
Cinema,
because-
yeah, you said cinema.
Do you
I love
say,
going to the cinema,
Yeah.
the movie halls.
Okay, fine. I went to watch.
I love to watch the
picture.
motion
I like to
pictures.
see a
Picture
theatrical presentation.
Picture देखने गया था मैं.
हाँ.
And I firstly like to reach on time. I don't like missing a minute of the film. In case, right? You're the same, right?
Yep,
Because
that's why the
what if-
handshake.
And who hates missing a part of the film?
No, but some people. some-
Everyone who goes to movies with
Yeah,
me.
But
Some
film,
people are
not
like,
ads.
after the doors are open and we're walking in, they're like, oh no, sorry, I have to go get a popcorn and a coffee and I'll go use the bathroom and come. If you miss the first scene of the movie, what if the first scene is connected to the last scene?
Like our stand-up specials.
Yes, callback is what makes the show work.
And I
Otherwise,
hate the whole part like, "Ye kya hua, batana, kya hua,
yeah,
batana."
why should we?
That's why, bro,
Also-
go to PVR Gold. You can press here and one guy will come. One
And they
button is
take him
here.
and
No, they will come and take the order.
Order for what?
But your coffee, pizza, and all those
Oh,
things.
like
also
that
had-
order, not like any order. Like go.
From now on,
Go stand there.
From now on, people can play live music after 10 p.m. outside. That's
Yeah.
an order.
I hate it, man. I hate going late to movies, and it's always like I'm the one who's rushing people. Like come,
Yeah.
and every time I decide to go for people who I go to watch a movie, they're never in a rush. They're like, it's okay if we miss. It's
Yeah.
not life and death. Yeah, of course it's not life and death.
Yeah.
What is life and death
Yeah, what
apart
are you
from
doing?
life?
Also,
and
what
death?
in your life? What are you doing? That's life and death. They are acting like I just did a life and death thing. This is not life and death.
Exactly.
So I don't want to do it again.
What are you doing?
Yeah.
No,
No,
you
I-
tell.
no, I
you-
don't- no,
no, you represent them now.
No, I don't represent them.
Because he didn't handshake.
He reaches
high-five.
at the interval and he's like, first half kaise tha?
Wow.
That kind of guy.
You can't do that, bro.
And he late for the second half also.
You can't reach. How well you can't reach at the interval, man.
No, I reach
You
and
can't
I
make-
watch all the
and then you
ads.
watch the first half of
I
Squad.
watch all
You
the
can't
ads.
make every Nolan movie by your own. You can't.
He watches second half and then buys ticket for the next one first half. And then he switches it in his mind.
Then he goes and
Like,
tells
oh,
people
now
what's going to
I
happen
get-
in the second half.
He's like, ये वाला skip करो यार. Second half में सब मर जाते हैं. But
Yeah.
also people who are late.
Actually, you know what? When you say that, Patal Lok season 1, I watched it like that, where someone watched it on my account. So some people are like, Patal Lok is awesome. I watched the 8th episode first, and I was like, damn, this is a great pilot, man. Like people are dying, things are like crescendo, like music is like, oh, the end and all. I was like, holy shit.
Yeah, if this is the first episode, imagine how it's going to
And
be.
then I was like, man, then I pressed next episode, season 2, 1. I'm like, oh no, no.
How can they call it a season if it's one episode? That's wrong. This is how I read
Like a
it.
nice cat puzzle, right? They'll put 8 episodes, you decide, you rearrange
Arrange Patal Lok in the way you like it.
in the correct order.
Correct order. I read Harry Potter like this because sort of like this.
Potter.
Yeah, Harry Potter. Because my friend, that time Harry Potter was big and I was like,
He was very small.
he was small. He was small. I was also small. It
You know
was
Hagrid,
big.
that's Hagrid.
Hagrid
yeah.
was big.
Hagrid
Oh,
Potter is
God.
different.
I don't know how to proceed with this
So
story.
I think it's a lot of male energy. We are not allowing each other to finish.
Yeah.
This is
sentences.
classic male energy.
Sorry.
Imagine if we were presidents of countries, how we would behave. We don't have to imagine. It's there.
You mean presidents or like leaders?
Leaders.
Yeah, I would stick to just presidents.
Presidents, other words we use for such positions.
Yeah,
But
Harry Potter.
Harry Potter.
Yeah, you were
my
saying?
friend had, that time 4 books had come out. And I was like,
Oh,
bro,
the goblet.
Goblet had come out. And I was like,
A fire, right?
can I, yeah, Fire of Goblets. I was like, can I borrow Harry Potter book 1? He's like, Rahul has it.
Okay.
Another Rahul.
Yeah.
Obviously.
Then I was like, okay, what about book 2? He's like, book 2. Obviously, I've loaned it to, I don't know. Who's Rahul?
Arjun.
Arjun, Arjun has
yeah.
it. And book 3, Siddharth has it.
No,
Okay.
Suhail.
Suhail has it.
He gave it
correct.
to finish. Siddharth finished it and gave
Sorry,
it to
book 2 was with Harpreet.
And book 4 was with.
Shamik,
Isaiah.
Shamik Johnson. Because in the story, it came to me. So we
And you have no girlfriends.
no girlfriends. It was a boys' school.
So you can, okay. You can still.
He was giving books to our classmates. He decided.
It's a
Rahul.
boys only library.
So I started with Goblet of Fire, and then he gave me third. He's like, now that you've read the 4,
Oh.
why go to first? Read third. And I counted down to 1.
Two philosophers.
And then I jumped.
But
to
did you
5.
also start the books from the last page?
Yeah, that's
And also
right.
from the last word?
That's right.
Did you read the whole word or you just like backwards?
So I did
every-
what you said backwards. So I've got the review that I've put for Harry Potter. Worst book ever written. Makes no sense.
Did you write the review in the side?
Yeah, I wrote it backwards,
Yeah.
but I said use a mirror to read it,
You did that. Yeah.
which would make no sense. But you know,
But do you like Harry Potter?
when I was a kid, I loved the books. I really
I still
did.
like.
Yeah.
I still like the
I like-
memory of me liking the book.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah, that's what. I like the memory of me liking it.
That's
Yeah.
a
Yeah,
really-
I'm
What a
so
book.
self-centered.
What a complicated-
I'll just love the
What
feeling
a
I had.
complicated way of saying it, dude. But that's what. It's the first time I tried to read fast because when the books would come out, people would read it and tell you things. So I would
Yeah,
lock
spoilers
myself
Happened to me.
at home and
I did
finish.
not speak to my friend
Yes.
for 2 months
Yeah.
Yeah.
because he revealed who died in
Yeah. Yeah.
5th book.
Yeah, yeah.
Snape died,
No,
right?
in the
Baba.
6th
Oh,
book.
fifth
Sixth
book was-
And he didn't die, yeah.
No, Sirius Black.
Sirius
Oh,
Black.
yeah.
Yeah, Dumbledore is in the
The-
6th book.
Dumbledore died?
In the 6th book.
But Dumbledore, to be fair, he wanted to.
He wanted to die. 6th book, this girl read it in 2 days, this psycho, and she told us
Amrita.
out of the window of the school bus, she's like, Snape is the half-blood prince. And the bus left, and we threw stones at
This is
the
a boys' school. How did she get there?
She's outside the bus.
She was a rebel.
She's a wanderer.
She was a rebel.
She
in
was
many
a
ways.
rebel.
In many ways.
That was the least of their concerns.
Yeah.
Not how she entered the school.
She told us who the half-blood prince is. You think we asked, how did she get in the bus? We were like, yo.
I didn't speak. And so my friend didn't even read the books. We were playing badminton, okay? But he knew that I was very much into
Yeah.
it. And I think J.K. Rowling had already revealed, I don't know why,
Okay.
someone important will die.
Yeah.
Just shut up and write
Shut
the book.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Shut up and do your job.
And then, so everyone's like, who's going to die? Who's going to die? You know, and then we were just playing badminton. And he kept like, I'll reveal who's going to die. And I go, I'll reveal, okay. And then I said, you better not. And then he
Yeah.
agreed, okay. And then after like a few points, something happened, like out hai, out hai. I'm like, nahi yaar, out nahi hai. Seriously. And he giggled. And I'm like, the problem is I'm too
Yeah.
sharp. I'm too quick.
Yeah.
Oh, no.
Any other person would have not,
Yeah,
would
gotten
have
that.
continued the
I would have loved
fight.
if you didn't get it in that. And he's like, isko nahi samajh aaya."
Yeah.
Then he switches off the lights in the badminton court.
Black.
He's like, pura black ho gaya hai."
Then he turned into one dog or what is that animal?
What is it called?
Bhai, seriously black ho gaya hai.
Animagus.
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 That's how I read it.
His
I don't know.
Animagus? Was it
Animagus.
Animagus?
Animagus?
Maybe.
They can change into.
Yeah.
Sounds foreign.
Yeah.
Animagus.
Hey, by
It's
the
all
way-
foreign.
No, not like that. Like,
Harry
I don't
Potter is
even remember
foreign.
By the way,
that.
the camera is getting very upset. The camera, I think, has the book more than us.
The camera. Yours.
Is it not Animagus? Oh,
Yeah, I don't remember.
Camera's upset about
But
that.
his whatever was
Was
a dog. He was
Wolf.
becoming a.
Dog.
No, Lupin was the wolf.
Lupin was a wolf. And
Lupin was a werewolf.
Werewolf. Yeah.
someone was a mouse also, right?
Yeah, that was
Peter Pettigrew.
Peter
Pettigrew.
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 Peter Pettigrew.
By the way, Lupin was a werewolf. He was not an Animagus.
Okay.
Because he was a werewolf, the other three friends.
They would become to be his
yeah,
friends.
Arjun, Sohail, and
Isaiah. Yeah.
they decided.
Isaiah.
Harpreet, I thought.
Yeah, Harpreet. Also known as Isaiah.
Hey,
He's like,
at least the thing is that J.K. Rowling finished the book, sir. This is why George R.R. is like,
it's over, right? He's too old now
yeah,
to finish a
he
book.
can't write. He can't hold a pen.
Yeah.
But you don't have to now. Have you seen the
Dictate.
ChatGPT voice? You just say things, it'll know.
Yeah? I've not
crazy,
used
man.
it. What is it, ChatGPT?
ChatGPT voice.
ChatGPT voice.
ChatGPT voice.
ChatGPT voice.
Yeah, it's too
like
cool.
a brand campaign.
If you say that, just
ChatGPT
ChatGPT voice wake up? Like, yes. Yes, ChatGPT voice speaking.
ChatGPT voice is a freaky thing, and I used it once and I've stopped using it.
The one you talk to a person, right?
Yeah, but it's an actual. It feels like an actual person.
Yeah.
And it pauses and all to think.
Yeah, it talks. No, it like this conversation. It'll have a normal conversation, and just like it's just scary, bro.
But can you, when you say like this conversation, can you have a nonsensical
Yes, that's what I
comedy
had.
conversation with
Yeah,
it?
yeah. Things like, yeah, I'm in the car right now. I'm very bored. I don't know what to do. That's a great thing. And then she'll say something. So my voice is a she. And
No.
Can you improvise, like can it improvise jokes?
it can.
with
You want to try it now?
No.
That's like our
Why don't you
competition.
say yes and then we edit?
Yes. Would you ask it again?
It can. Can you? Do you want to try it now?
Yes, of course. Let's do
Sure.
it.
That was fun. Bro.
Yeah, Woo! Patreon. We don't have a Patreon. Maybe we should. Should we have super chats? Do you know anything about this? Super
Yeah,
chats?
you should. You guys should have super chats.
Thanks, man.
But the super chats will happen if it's on live stream.
Oh, only live stream. has
Only
super
live stream.
chat?
I figured out because I have to release my special on YouTube.
Yeah.
So I don't want to ask for money, but I would love it if they give it. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
That's
correct.
my feeling about money generally. I don't want to ask it, but please
Yeah.
give, no.
Yeah. That,
Like you have to watch it again, right?
we have to watch it.
So
we
that
watch.
you know.
True, but there's a
where to
continuity
cut.
problem now. I drank this. We
Oh
can't
my-
cut. Oh, dude.
You can.
There's a level of quality.
You can. There's an AI tool you can use. Really? You can do anything with it. You didn't need me.
Did you know?
You could have had an AI here. What do you guys? Why are you putting plants and all?
This is AI
This
plant.
is AI.
You can put a dinosaur there.
You
with
can see
AI.
that, or what? And I didn't know you can see.
These
Shit.
guys are too
Oh
good,
yeah,
bro.
ChatGPT Pro. Only Pro members can
In
see
your
this.
eyes.
I'm ChatGPT amateur, bro. Can't.
That's what they should call the pre version amateur. Then people will buy
That's
Pro.
smart. Yeah, pro
Yeah.
I came up with that. And why is he smart?
is always the second guy. who
This
says
is why you need two MBAs in a room.
Why
One
is this-
MBA gets an idea.
First
the other one is
person who
like,
says
Yeah.
it seems like a bad
This
idea.
Edwin Aldrin, you're giving so much,
Edwin
so much focus.
Aldrin?
Buzz Aldrin.
Was his name Edwin?
Edwin, of course, it's so
Edwin
obvious,
Aldrin.
man. What do
I
you think
just know-
about
I just know him as
Rakesh
Buzz.
Aldrin?
Yeah.
I just know him as Buzz.
Rakesh GPT, that's what I use.
Rakesh
You know
GPT.
Rakesh GPT?
I don't know, man.
Whatever you ask, it starts with a K, the first sentence. So you get that reference, man? It's very deep cut. It's
a K.
Rakesh Roshan GPT. Let me clarify.
Yeah.
And Karan Joe. I could have just gone with Karan.
No, but
I'm
Rakesh
wrong.
Roshan had the thing for
He
K.
starts with K always.
Yeah.
That's
Always.
numerology.
Yeah, it was first called the.
How
That's
was
new.
K numerology? what
That's
is
new.
the alphabet
It
of
was
numerology?
called the Klux Klan. You know
Alphabetology.
that?
Huh?
It used to be called the
Klux
Klux Klan,
Klan.
but
Then they
Rakesh
changed it.
said
Yeah.
no, we must.
No, let's
Who?
make it.
It was Bolo Na Pyar Hai, na? Not Kaho Na Pyar
Bolo
Hai.
Na Pyar
It
Hai.
was first okay. Rakesh was like, nah.
K. Remove the O, like Facebook, remove the
It
the.
was first Rajesh. Rakesh was like, nah.
Kajesh. Kajesh Kosher.
Rish was the name of the superhero first. Rish and then Rish 3.
When he was born, he was named Riti. But Rakesh was like, nah, not on my watch.
Oh my goodness.
Oh,
You know, when you ask Rakesh Roshan what's the temperature, he answers Kelvin. He doesn't give you Celsius. Only guy who uses
Yeah,
Kelvin scale on earth. Like, even Kelvin didn't do it. Kelvin was like, Rakesh, Celsius hai bhai. He's like, nope.
Yeah, he's like a big fan of potassium.
And he's like, and he's crazy about it. He's like, it is K degrees.
Yeah.
It doesn't even make sense anymore. We're like, what does K represent? You have to
Yeah.
go to the which letter of the alphabet it is, and that's
Yeah.
the temperature.
case potassium.
K is potassium also.
Oh,
yeah.
we forgot the potassium.
He
Yeah,
said it.
I said it.
He said it. I'm not. I don't.
No, no.
steal
No, but
credit.
you said
you said
second.
it. That's a good
You
one.
said it second. Second person
Second
gets the
person.
credit.
Because I'm Buzz
Yeah,
Aldrin.
Buzz Aldrin is a legend. Neil Armstrong, who cares? Go
Yeah.
cycle or something.
But did they actually land on moon? Come on. Come on.
It's a simulation.
I don't think they landed. I genuinely don't think they did.
You genuinely don't think?
I think
They're going once again now.
Yeah, but everyone who plans to go, every time they plan to go, something happens.
They're going once again now.
They
Look at him like an auntie. सुना है? फिर से जा रहे हो वाह.
फिर से जा रहे इस उम्र में यार. Come on यार. Settle down हो जाओ यार. अब चांद जाना है इनको.
चांद जा
They're
रहे
going to the
हैं.
other side of the moon.
The other side of the moon, the dark
other
side
one.
of the moon.
Yeah, yeah.
Where the
The
sixth
Navi moon.
Navi moon.
It's too far, bro. I heard all landings are happening on the other side now. I'm not going.
They have moved all the
For
land.
me, moon terminal 1, always terminal 1.
Other side.
I want to go to the middle of the moon, so I wait for when it's crescent, and then
And then
so
you
can land
launch
in the
yourself.
middle. Yeah,
Yeah.
you land in the inside of the moon.
Inside of the moon.
Can I share an unpopular?
Please, you must.
I don't want to go to the moon.
What?
Whoa, dude, stop it.
What the bro?
I'm very happy in
Here?
India. I love my country way too much to go to the moon.
That's the most patriotic. No one has been this patriotic before.
I don't want to
Like,
go to the moon.
forget other countries. I don't want to go to the moon. India has water.
To the moon and back. No, just back.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just back. You are only booking return tickets. Not even going.
Not the onward ticket.
Moon का return ticket होगा क्या? Just return.
But this the Voyager that went, no?
Yeah, which is going.
That something Indian also has gone there, right? What has gone?
Lata Mangeshkar.
Chandrayaan has gone, Baba.
No, not that.
Then?
No,
Yeah,
no. In the Voyager.
Oh, one of the
Voyager 2.
CDs.
They sent
Yeah.
one CD, something
Lata
of India's
But
Mangeshkar.
who
also.
uses CDs anymore?
So Lata Mangeshkar's voice is on.
But which song?
That I don't know.
I don't think we know anything.
Yeah, no, Pink Floyd has gone.
Pink Floyd has gone.
Pink Floyd, nothing else
please.
matters.
Antriksh, please
Yeah,
check.
nothing else.
Nothing else matters except this song right now.
Pink Floyd, right? Nothing else matters.
I heard, you know which song India has sent?
Mambo number 5 by Pink Floyd.
No, India sent Chand Tare, oh, la. And people are like, damn,
What
what
do
a
you mean India
relevant-
said? Like every country had an opportunity to send something.
Yeah.
Every
What
country.
would you send if you could send something like aliens? will-
Swadesh, come back.
Swadesh.
Come back to India. Ye jo
Swadesh.
desh
That's
hai
actually great.
tera.
Do you know there's a lot of space waste which is
Yeah.
just orbiting Earth? There's
Yeah.
an insane amount of waste up there.
But I think that's a great place to dump things.
You think
Yeah.
so?
Unless you really care about your great grandchildren, I don't give a.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Can I say the F word?
Of course, you must.
I don't give a flying.
Oh my God! 2 F words you put over there, bro.
I
My
thought you go for some-
great grandchildren, they can do whatever they want.
But I was like, if you put enough garbage, Earth will look like Saturn.
Yeah, ring.
eventually.
We'll
That
get a
it will
ring
be
of
nice.
garbage.
We'll look cool. I want a ring around Earth, don't
Yeah.
you?
It's time to get
But they're
official
not
with Earth.
It's not going around
It's
Earth.
going.
It's
It's
going,
orbiting around it.
It's orbiting. Everything
Around
orbits,
Earth,
yeah.
bro. Once
Around Earth.
it has to.
But if it becomes too much garbage,
Yeah.
will it overpower the gravitational pull?
Never. I mean,
You should see more sci-fi movies then.
that's
happen.
for some truth.
True.
I watched this moon landing documentary which was on TV when I was a
The one which
teenager.
says it's not a landing,
The
or the
History
one which
Channel
says, ki, trust
No.
me, bro.
No, the no one. And the way it's like I was sure they didn't land. It's so like because the
shadows.
the flag is waving
Yeah,
like
like
this.
this.
I also like to read about such stuff.
Yeah.
But there is another completely
Yeah.
like all these science guys who have actually answered each of these questions as to why each of this happened.
Yeah, but I didn't see that one. No, so I'm.
You're still there.
I'm.
You're in third book of Harry Potter.
My truth is my truth, bro.
Yeah.
None of your
You're
truth.
the goblet of lies, bro.
Sirius Black is alive and he's in Azkaban.
I believe in Azkaban, but not the moon landing. I think there's more chance Neil Armstrong went to Azkaban. No, sorry, it doesn't make no sense.
Neil
anymore.
is such an Indian name, no?
Yeah, Neil Nitin Armstrong.
Yeah.
Neil.
Nitin Mukesh was on the flight with me recently.
Yeah.
Oh.
And I was on a flight with him.
Was
Can
it
we do the
Indigo's-
obvious
Indigo
joke?
stretch?
Can we do the obvious joke? Did he take all 3 seats?
Man, Nitin always gets the middle seat. It's really unfortunate for him. Nitin
No, but
always
was
like-
he
Yeah.
was he in Indigo stretch or?
He was in the ekdam samne.
Oh, okay.
Well, it was.
Indigo Stretch.
No, it was not Indigo. It was Vistara. He
Okay,
was in
so
the front. So he
premium
was,
economy.
No. Oh.
yeah.
Premium
And
economy or no?
he was business
Business.
class.
Wow.
And
It's good. Business is good.
and he was. I wanted to say I love Johnny Gaddar because I'm sure no one goes up to him and says that. They
Yeah.
always say.
I think everyone says only that.
they say New York.
Who's seen all that?
Bro, New York is a hit.
I've only seen Johnny Gaddar.
Johnny Gaddar is a
too
very
good.
niche film. We have
क्या
seen
बात
it.
कर रहा है?
It's a huge flop. It's an amazing.
You're nodding in acknowledgement or like
I have
just
not seen Johnny
gathering
Gaddar.
information
I'm like,
right now?
yeah,
Johnny
alright,
Gaddar, I
Gaddar.
think, is one of the
New
best.
York has Katrina Kaif, right?
Yay, Johnny Gaddar. We can't sing a lot, then you'll get a copyright.
Yeah.
Copyright strike. How you? That's really arrogant of you to think you sing so well.
Johnny.
that copyright. YouTube's like this is exactly the original song.
Arrogance, wow. If we accept, then we are arrogant. If we don't, we are like trying to be too humble. How do you live in this world?
It's not that complicated. But Johnny Gaddar is one of the best Bollywood films.
Really?
I agree.
Ever. It's so good.
It's one of those. It's not a who done it. You know who's done it.
Yeah.
But you're like, wow.
Wow.
Please watch Johnny. If
Wow.
you guys are
Wow
watching,
done
pause this video right now. Watch Johnny.
No,
Gaddar.
no. It's not that good. Also, it's
no.
no.
No, let them finish this.
There is a limit, Rahul.
Hey, can we watch Johnny Gaddar now? The whole movie?
We can watch. We will treat this as second
No,
screen.
you say yes, then we'll edit it out.
Oh,
sorry,
yeah.
again.
Hey, can we watch Johnny Gaddar now?
Yes.
Of course.
Gautam,
What,
do
a
you think?
movie, dude. It changed my life, dude.
Dude, it's crazy how we kept this light on for 2.5 hours
Yeah.
and didn't,
Because we are running a solar power outside.
That's
panel.
true.
Yeah.
You believe in the sun?
I do. I do believe in the sun.
Yeah.
Yeah, I do it. Fake.
Because sun is real.
Sun's real?
Yeah.
But not the sun landings.
You can't land on sun. Sun's just gas.
Whoa, bro.
This
Come
guy,
on. Don't
man.
insult sun like that, bro. It's full gas.
Bro, how can you be sure?
The
You-
sun is
from
just
here,
gas.
From here, you can say that?
I can say that.
From here?
Now that you put it that way. I would like to correct my statement. I think sun is a gas.
Thank you so much. I also think, actually. I just wanted us to be
From
on the
here you
same
can
page. I wanted to be on the same page. We were
Yeah.
on different pages till
Which one?
recently.
The book cricket? 6.
Oh my god.
Whoa, see, this would make no sense if you came late to the theater while this is playing. This is what I was talking about.
This is the best podcast I've been in.
Thank you so
I'll tell you
much.
why. And now,
Because you don't go to many.
no, I don't go to many, and because I feel podcasts are very labored,
Yes.
and and every podcast says the same thing. We
Yeah.
just want to chill. It's nothing serious.
But they don't, right?
But they don't.
We commit to the chill.
You guys
Yeah.
actually commit to
Yeah,
the chill.
You have
We don't
no
care.
idea.
We
You
don't
have
care.
no idea.
Our
man.
subscriber
Suddenly
count
they-
reflects how much we care about
Our
it.
subscribers also too chill.
Yeah.
They are like, next time I'll click. Next
Yeah.
episode. Right now I don't want to. Hype. Next time I'll
Yeah.
hype it.
Okay, I have to know what is this hype. But before that, let me compliment you guys. So I really like this podcast because of that. You stick to what it is. And I know how tempting it is to have some emotional or like
Yes.
a conversation because they go viral, right? You can change
Yes.
the background
Yeah.
music,
Yes.
make someone
Yeah,
black
yeah.
and white, and
Yeah.
it becomes like, wow.
Correct.
But you guys are not falling for it yet.
Not yet.
Yeah.
We will
It's
eventually.
close. We are very
when-
close.
When we get to a point where economically it's not making sense
Yeah.
anymore, we will have to.
Yeah.
go
It's
through
close.
that.
We are reaching Greece levels of
Yeah,
debt.
we will start doing poetry soon on this
Yeah.
podcast.
Austerity
And-
Poetry.
Because you know the
I love
poetry
poetry.
reels. The
Yeah.
poetry reels go really viral.
I love poetry.
Do you?
Do
Yeah.
you love consuming or writing? Do you write poetry?
No, I used to till I was in 7th grade, and then I
Okay.
stopped
Oh.
because all my poems I realized later were already done.
As in, someone else has written them.
Already, like one of my classic hits. I'm not even kidding.
Ah.
It's already done by the universe. Like,
it's like
one of
a-
my classic was the poem was poem. How do you say it?
Poem,
Shamil?
Poem.
You lip sync for me. I can't say it. Like,
Yeah.
one of my classic
Poems.
was called Tit for Tat. Okay.
Tit for tat.
Tit for Tat in 6th grade or 7th grade.
Yeah, yeah,
6th
yeah.
grade I wrote. It was like I had a cat. My brother had a rat. The cat ate the rat. My brother hit the cat. The cat fell on the mat.
Oh man, that's
It
a
was
beautiful rhyme
Tit
scheme.
for Tat.
Oh.
It's a
Yeah.
callback. It's number one rhyme scheme.
No,
Eh.
dude, best poetry is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. There's no rhyming. Yeah.
Ended with an A.
In the last
No,
one.
end is tum bhi kaho. Right? This is the hum saath saath hai rhyme scheme.
Gautam has no idea what Bollywood
You know
is.
Dude,
what this-
I don't know what this Bollywood shit
Bro,
is, dude.
do you know the thing about A B C D E F G H I, the song from Hum Saath Saath?
Yeah.
It's a song in Hum
Yeah,
Saath
I know,
Saath.
I know.
JKLM.
It is the
I
two-
don't want to sing a lot because
Yeah.
it might get,
Yeah.
it might get a
Copyright.
copyright
That's an
strike.
easy copyright because.
Which letter onwards do they copy?
But we can like make a deliberate mistake. A B C D E G H
Oh,
I.
saved it.
Oh,
That's an edit right there.
YouTube is like, oh.
Live, they were almost like copy strike. They're
Yeah.
like strike is cancelled.
Yeah.
Strike on the strike. Oh, sorry.
The song.
Yeah, the song is copied exactly from a Spanish song.
What are you saying?
The tune is.
Oh, the tune. Not the lyrics.
No. Hola na mami na ni ne no. Whatever.
Okay,
I
oh,
can't
wow.
really- Hola is
Fluent.
there. Okay, it's hola actually.
Deportista
Hola is the
que
app.
será.
Yeah, quesera.
Jo bhi ho so ho.
Spanish omelette. Whatever. It's a Spanish or Italian. You can
Yeah.
look it up. But imagine copying a song. You've already copied the tune. All you have to do is write lyrics. These people are like
Copied that from a child.
They wrote letters. They didn't even make efforts for a sentence. You understand?
QRSTU.
They
Are there kids in the song?
No.
And are
No,
they playing?
what is the
are they-
setting? Why do they
In
have
the
to...
bus. They're in a bus.
They're
Is that a
Oh,
school
tour.
bus?
No, they're all adults. That's only them.
It's only them. Who's driving?
A kid?
This is when they were on the way to. Yeah.
On the way
This was in a wildlife safari. I don't know what they're doing in the movie. Oh, you're asking in the movie?
Yeah, movie. Yeah,
Monish Bale is there.
and Monish Shave and Monish Daipuri is not there.
Monish Bale. This is in Elko. This was
Dude,
shot.
only if your podcast had a live audience, they'll be on the floor,
Dude, it's over.
man.
They
It's
would be
over.
on the floor because we wouldn't have seating for them. we would have no
this
chairs.
guy is
What is
nonsense.
this? A pun off?
I can't be stopped. I had too much coffee. I don't drink coffee, and today I did. So this is what happens to
Oh,
me.
okay.
I just don't make sense anymore.
Okay.
But, yeah, so
finish,
what is
finish
set-
your
what is
thought.
setting of that? Monish Bale?
They're just singing.
They're
it's
going
like
on a family picnic.
family
Family
picnic,
picnic.
and it's only adults as far as I remember, and they are singing about how they love They love each other.
They
That's
love each
the
other. It's a family. It's a nice, happy, joint family.
Yeah.
Okay.
NOPQRSTUW
Yeah.
And Tum Bhi Kaho is...
YZ.
Yeah.
I love you.
I
Tum
love
bhi
you.
kaho. And then they
नहीं
start.
कहूँगा मैं
Oh.
तो गान मरा तू.
That's the X-rated version. Because we removed the
B-side.
X from the actual alphabet. It came back in the... Where is the X?
Dude, you know, whenever I have to abuse on stage, I have started self-muting myself.
As in?
You have to say, like, ga- if I have to say,
Oh.
Mara,
Ah.
and the editors are like, dude,
Brilliant.
you
Yeah.
are saving so much work.
And then you are like cutting 20 rupees from their invoice. You're like, come kar isko.
Can I be honest, Shamin?
Yeah.
I'm a giver.
You're a giver?
Yeah, I give.
Like
give
how?
I give like 20 rupees.
you keep a change.
I just keep
I'm a giver up to a point, bro. That's what I decided.
like, what is
After
that point?
I'm a receiver.
What's the point of the rate?
Yeah, right.
You
Exchange.
give, then there's a point of no return.
I give and I give and then I take.
Yeah.
I don't-
2 gives per take.
2 gives, 1 take. 1 take valued more than 2 gives.
By the way, this podcast is also 1 take.
Yeah.
This is a 1 take podcast.
The
Our
director
producer has left.
Oh, producer.
He's
Yeah,
producer,
but-
please.
Director.
Are you kidding me? Yeah, we'll put 3 cameras and yeah, that I'm directing it.
Dude, I
That's
don't know. I don't know if, like, generally in any podcast, there'll be a crew. There is no crew.
Yeah,
It's
skeleton
almost
crew.
like these cameras walked on their own and they're like, let's do it.
we will put the crew as AI later, which is the most pointless because they can't even see them.
Yeah, just tell them. They will trust us. There
Trust
is a-
us.
Trust us.
They already trust us
There
with
is
their
no
time.
one. There's no one. In fact, the people who lease them this place, okay,
Yeah.
they are also no one's here.
There is one person and he has a hand on his head. He's really not having a
Upset
good
about
time.
something.
But it's
Yeah.
fine.
We
We
should
get
do the
it.
stand-up thing where you have heads over here, so that people know there's a crowd.
Oh yeah, we'll just
Segregate.
put the back of 3 people's heads,
Heads
here.
over here for
And then-
everybody, same heads.
And every few
Yeah.
minutes we make them do the shoulder shake.
3 is too less.
3 looks worse than 0.
Yeah.
Right?
3 looks zero at least looks like if you wanted you could have got more
Yeah.
people. But you didn't, it's a choice. 3 looks like you're desperate.
Yeah.
Which you are not.
That is
I
true.
know. Because you have pulled the who's and who's of the comedy industry to come.
Who's
That
in-
is true,
Who's
we
in
have.
that?
KG was here.
He
Yeah.
was.
GK.
GK?
GK?
Gaurav Kapoor? No, I'm not.
Gaurav Kapoor is
Gaurav
not.
Kapoor not
You
yet.
can't get KG and not get
Yeah.
GK.
We are getting him soon.
Yeah, he's coming.
GK,
RS is here.
GK1, GK2
RS
both are coming.
GK1, GK2. Actually, that. SR, are you getting SR? Sachin Ramesh.
Sachin
Ramesh.
SRT.
SRT, you should
No.
get. And
Mr.
TRS, the Ranveer show.
We got Abish, so he looks like Sachin. That's close
Yeah.
enough. We're going to...
But you guys are like turning heads. Like every comedian I know is talking about this podcast at least once.
Yeah, and
In
they're
their
all
lifetime.
saying one thing. I ain't going on that.
Yeah.
No,
Dude,
but they're
they
saying
call
only
me
good
also.
things. They're like, this is a good podcast. And then they move on to another topic. But
Yeah.
they say that.
Yeah, it's...
But you know what's better? And then they tell the better part.
Yeah.
Watch moment of
You know,
silence.
Gautam, when he said, you know what, I was actually very interested. Like, are we talking about something then?
If you are ever saying, you know what's better than this podcast, the only way that sentence should end is nothing. All
Yeah.
right? That's what I want from you.
Gautam, are you MBA marketing?
Yeah, I mean, yeah. There's no specific, based on
Okay, we'll do it
electives.
again. Just say yes then.
Yeah, okay, sorry.
Gautam, are you MBA
Hell
marketing?
yeah, man.
He didn't even finish this time. He said,
4
Gautam,
Ps.
are you MBK? Hell yes, I am.
4 Ps. Kotler's 4 Ps.
Kotler's 4P. And by the way,
Let
when
me guess, I don't know.
Rakesh Roshan went, he changed it to 4Ks. 4Ks. And that's how he likes his HD movies also.
Yeah.
4K.
Okay, let me guess the 4. I know nothing
4
about
P?
this. The
The
4
4 P of
Ps.
marketing.
Actually, by the way, there are 7 Ps if you're talking about service industry, 4
Yeah.
Ps for product.
Yeah.
But we'll go with 4P
For the
product.
Dhoni industry, 7 Ps. Okay, 4 Ps of marketing. Okay. People. People.
Fail.
What do you think?
Bankrupt.
4 Ps of HR or what?
It's got to be important stuff. So.
No, it's not people. Okay.
Platypus.
No.
No. This is
Okay,
this
one
a
is product.
product.
Don't give the.
No, but that he'll not get product because he's already, the product went off from his
Okay,
brain.
at least now think on these lines.
Now we have to sell one product. What all do we need to know?
Correct.
Price.
Now they're all
Well
good.
done. Well,
Good.
price,
Price.
product.
Product.
Now we have the price of this.
Okay.
Don't spoon feed.
Placement.
In fact, confuse him.
Hand feed?
P. We have to play placement. Is it placement?
Okay. Yeah.
And last P, right?
Yeah. One more P.
Psychology. no.
No, a P which is not
That is-
silent.
That is S. That is S in B. Psychology.
P. Last P. Purchase. No.
That doesn't
No.
mean anything.
But before purchase, like how did they find
Promotion.
out? Yeah, no.
Dude, Kotler.
No,
Nice.
did he? What all you say?
Product price place promotion.
I got it, man.
Nice.
Did
Pretty
he get
good.
place?
Yeah.
I
You
got
got
it.
place?
Yeah.
No.
I said placement. Place.
place.
Oh,
yeah,
placement. Okay.
And I wasn't talking about job. Yeah,
And
yeah.
you know which is the fifth P? PPT. Marketing.
That's the fifth and sixth P.
Sixth P. Seventh P is
T.
postpone.
7 P is a T. That's the trick. Kotler's trick, they call that.
Dude, Kotler, I
old
don't know
sleight
what
of
he's...
hand.
Kotler used to smoke up every year and come up with a new book with one extra P.
Yeah,
Just
like
sell
the
it.
new edition.
And like J.K. Rowling, he's like, there's another P in this
There's
one.
another
And
New
one
P.
P he kills in the middle. There's
One
no
P
more
dies.
product this time.
What? Did you know Pumbledore is dead?
Dumbledore.
Sorry.
Hey, our producer is back. He's back.
Thank you
Hey,
so
You want to
much.
come and say hi? They think that there is no one on this
You
side.
can say hi once.
Say, wow, we're letting him, dude. You're allowed to say hi.
We're
By the
going
way,
to cut that.
His name is Space.
Yeah.
Antariksh.
Oh, yeah, it is space. The final frontier. Time flies when you're having fun, am I right, guys?
Yeah.
Who's
You know,
Yeah.
the moment you say that, the
Do you
fun
know
stops.
a bird which does not fly is a loser?
Oh.
Thanks. That's all I wanted to share.
Which species is that? I was going to say ostrich, but okay, loser.
Those guys, right?
Pengoose.
Yeah.
But they can swim, which is pretty cool.
I mean,
It's
even
barely
I can
swimming,
swim.
bro.
Big deal.
Yeah.
Can they fly? This is Pac-Man.
That's right, Pac-Man. Remember Pac-Man? dude?
I remember him very, very, very fondly.
Yeah.
Yeah. What a guy.
There's a new Pac-Man intermittent fast edition. One level you do, he doesn't eat, he just sits. For 8 hours he
The
sits.
food comes to him. He runs
You have to
away.
avoid the food.
The nutritionist, yeah. Pac-Man
He's just
nutritionist.
shitting.
Why is this
Ozempic
not...
Pac-Man with no food.
Oh yeah,
At
there's
the
no
edge.
appetite.
Yeah.
This is brilliant, dude. I think we just came up with
All
something.
gold.
Gautam, do you watch any Hindi movies?
No, I barely watch.
What movies have you watched?
I
Apart
watched
from
that one, Kosla Ka Gosla, is damn good.
That's one of the best.
Yeah,
Again,
that's
when
one of
I-
the best.
The Johnny Gaddar was the best.
top
now.
3.
These two are two of the best Bollywood
Okay.
films, I
Yeah.
think.
Johnny
saw-
Gaddar,
Johnny Gaddar I haven't watched.
Kosla Ka Gosla,
Kosla Ka
and,
Gosla I watched.
and Hum Saath Saath Hai.
Then
Top, yeah.
Yeah, Hum Saath Saath Hai, I love it.
What else have you
Kyunki Kabhi Kushi Kabhi no Kabhi
Kyunki Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum. Kyunki Kabhi
Kyunki
Khushi
Saas
Kabhi
Bhi
Gum.
Kabhi Kush thi.
This is not a movie. This is an answer to a question.
Sorry, but this is a great one. Kyunki Saas Bhi Kabhi Khush Thi. It should be a movie. All right?
Kyunki saas bhi kabhi khush thi.
The rhyme scheme, it's fine.
Yeah.
The timing is a little off of the song, but we'll manage.
Yeah, we can. Rajesh Roshan will take care of that.
Rajesh, my boy. Dude, that song. You've seen Kaho Na Pyar Hai, I'm sure.
No, I've seen it.
What?
Like,
You have not seen KNPH?
dude, that
Yaar,
sounds like a government institution.
It's
KNPH.
Key and Peele hai, right?
KNPH.
KNPH.
KNPH
I
is
studied
an-
in KNPH.
Don't ask me, Dad. I'm in love.
Exactly. And have you seen Zindagi Na Milegi?
No.
Oh, come on, you have not seen Zindagi Na
मेरी
Milegi?
गर्लफ्रेंड के साथ इन्वॉल्व होना was not funny.
It was so funny. Have you seen
No,
Rock On?
I've seen War 1.
Who sees War 1 and not?
You mean the First World War?
Yeah, that's a.
War
1914 one.
Yeah,
By the way, I put a.
Archbishop.
France,
no.
Archduke Ferdinand,
Yeah,
was
Ferdinand. France
Yeah,
Ferdinand.
Archduke Ferdinand was assassinated.
assassinated in Austria.
Austria,
Yeah.
as they
No,
say.
that's not how you say it.
Austria.
Yeah, you almost said something else.
No, it's Austria.
You know, it's Austria.
Yeah.
It's Kutria. It's Austria.
Yes, sir.
But also, I put an Instagram story. You know, War 2 came out recently.
Yeah, yeah.
So I put a story saying, finally, a much-awaited documentary. And instead of the two faces, I put Hitler Stalin's face. Instagram took it down, dude. They
Oh.
took it down. I didn't tell me. They took it
Instagram,
down.
after 24 hours. That's how a story works.
No. 24 minutes.
They took it out.
Wow.
They removed it.
Did you sing a copyrighted song?
Did I sing? If I could sing on a story, like on a still story, I would be like a legend. I don't think you can do that yet.
You can't do that. Why did they take it down?
Because they thought I'm promoting World War II, which makes no sense. It's over.
It's
Yeah, it's tough. Tickets are not available.
the 4 B's of marketing apply for something.
Yeah, that show
has
is
to be
already done. bro.
marketing.
Event is closed. Event closed on Book My Show for World
Oh
War II.
God! Of the two wars, which do you think? No. Okay. No. That's
No, but
not my
we
question.
can have a like a
World War
logical.
One was
World War One was World War Two was more destructive.
Of
World War
course.
One was more destructive.
No.
Was
no.
more
Two.
was more brutal.
Yeah, I mean, come
I mean,
on.
the times were more brutal.
Trench stuff.
How can you say it was more brutal than World War II?
Didn't more people die in World War Two?
Way more in two. Way
yeah,
more.
but yeah, you know,
the conditions for the soldiers were more brutal in one because they were doing trench warfare.
Yeah, trench
They're
warfare.
getting that trench foot and
and what is that? What is that movie? That what?
All Quiet on the Western
Front.
Must watch war film. It is how war film should be.
Yeah.
made. This is becoming
World
too
War One.
serious, but it's actually.
I've
a really
not
good
seen
film.
it. But
Because a war film should leave you with the feeling war is the
Bad.
worst
Bad.
thing.
Yeah.
Should not be like, yeah, war.
why are we still fighting in the
That's true.
world?
It makes no sense.
Because there are bad people. Why are there bad people out there?
I swear, dude. You're asking the important questions.
Why
Dude,
are-
my friend, he works in Nagasaki.
Oh, nice.
He works in the city of Nagasaki, and
Okay.
I asked
That's
him.
in Tamil Nadu.
Yeah, near
And we are shooting in
Pondicherry.
Sakinaka. This is. He's not impressed. Producer is not impressed. Guys.
And
Hiroshima and Sakinaga, my two favorite stops. on the,
He works
And
at
he
what?
asked
He
me-
works in the.
something electrical
IT.
stuff. Electrical, Triple E. He was Triple E.
Okay.
And I asked him how is Nagasaki. He was like, "Dude, people are very nice over there."
Yeah.
And I was like,
Nagasaki.
Wonder why.
Yeah, I wonder what.
"Well, that adds up."
We don't know.
How are people in Nagasaki? Dude, they're always looking like this for some reason. But Nagasaki is actually a very. It was like an artsy place
Yeah.
in Japan.
It's
So,
still,
yeah.
but it's still quite like.
Yeah.
Apart from the obvious.
Have you been to Japan?
I've been to only Tokyo.
How was it?
Fast and Furious.
I wonder if you know how they live in Tokyo.
We will be editing that, but not the way you think. That's the cold open. It starts with Fast and Furious, and then hello Rahul.
I wonder if you know. I can't sing the whole thing because.
yeah, copyright.
I
No, I don't know
love-
the lyrics.
I love that song and that.
That's a banger song.
Yeah, and I think they copied it
Teriyaki
also, right?
Boys.
Teriyaki Boys.
That's the name of the band.
Dude, what a city, Tokyo.
Tokyo,
Yeah.
amazing, huh?
And I've also been to Hakone, one more place, but that was last time. But
Yeah.
Japan, what
Amazing,
a lovely
right?
country, man.
We keep talking about Japan. We
Yeah.
both have like obsessions with going
Dude,
there.
you guys should do shows in Japan.
Why?
There's a
People-
brilliant promoter in Japan.
Yeah?
Who will do in Tokyo, and
But
and
is
there
there
are
a
people. Yes,
Indian diaspora?
I paved the way for you guys.
Oh God! So we are the Buzz Aldrins.
You're the Buzz Aldrin.
Hopefully, we will be talked about more then.
No, but a lot of comedians
I'm
are now
going with the
going,
Kalpana Chawla
and there is a proper, and there's a crowd that will, hey, don't say one word, hey, enada, bro, hey, hey, edit
He's
him
saying
out.
he will bomb in Japan. No, don't bomb in Japan. That's one rule, right? Never. Did you
Don't
do 2
kill
shows? Dude, I'm going to do 2 shows in
Just do
Japan and
well.
2 bombs back to back. And they're like, I'm only doing 2 shows, Hiroshima and
Yeah.
Nagasaki, 7 p.m., 9 p.m.
Yeah, and Tokyo, just like
Tokyo.
a circuit I'm going to
And
do.
perfect
Just-
audience for you guys.
kill
Okay?
everyone.
Perfect
Really?
audience for because like well educated.
Thank you
I'm
so
not saying
much.
that you can't cater to.
You're saying the audience is not educated at all.
They're very well educated.
Okay.
Exactly like here is what I was trying to
Okay.
say.
Beautiful. That's perfect.
Yeah.
You said it perfectly.
MBAs.
MBAs.
Yeah, we
Some
do.
GREs.
क्या बोला मेरे को GRE is the Bihari of MBS. तू GRE है क्या?
GRE. The GREs they used to carry that some like trump cards type of thing. No?
Yeah.
And
They
then-
used to. I was not like them.
Yeah.
I was very.
You had WWE cards for like literary people, right? Like Shakespeare, words for word set.
Biden. I had Biden cards. They
Were
had the
you?
Trump
Were you?
card.
Did you?
Sorry.
WWE.
WWE.
For did you?
For
Were you
SF.
in the era when it was WWF?
Yeah.
It started in WWF era.
I used to call it WWF.
Yeah, we
Yeah.
were WWF.
I still call it
when,
WWF.
when you lost interest, was it still WWF? It
I
became-
lost interest at that point in time.
I used
when
to watch.
the transition happened.
I love WWF because I like to see pandas wrestling. That was my favorite thing, you know.
Worldwide, you want to see
World Wildlife Wrestling Federation.
what's worldwide?
They, one W was
WWF.
silent. One W was silent.
WW
WF.
Dude, it made no sense.
HTTPS : WWF.
Secured, at least it's secured. That was the first time I understood copyright infringement through the WWF saga when it said that, oh, it has to change to E. It broke my heart. I was like, this is not entertainment.
Copyright was a
But I mean, how good is the wrestling federation when they can't like beat animals?
Yeah,
dude?
animals beat WWE.
Pandas defeated
This
you.
is like hell in a
Made it
cell, man. Come on, dude.
Sugarcane eating people.
Pandas, man. One of the. Can I
Pandas.
say something
The-
controversial?
Overrated?
Overrated animals.
What are you saying?
They're not as cute as.
But they're so cute.
They're okay.
They're
bro.
okay. Overrated.
Okay, golden retriever or pandas?
Golden retriever.
Easy Goldie.
Okay, this one I also agree. But pandas or porcupines?
Porcupines.
Oh god.
Porcupines are very cute.
Panda or a snake with one eye?
Snake with one eye.
One eye.
I can't. Panda or Spirogyra?
What's a Spyro guy?
You don't know what a Spirogyra is,
Is that
bro?
a virus?
Spirogyra is a this thing. It's a
In comments, let us know what. You guys don't do this.
I know
you should do
Spirogyra.
this thing.
We do this.
Yeah,
It's
yeah,
Spyrogyra.
let us know in the comments. There's something let us know about your life.
Can we share
Just
photo?
let us know.
I was going to say share photo of Spirogyra, but
Yeah.
you can't do that in YouTube comments.
Yeah. What is a Spyro guy?
Is it like fungus?
It's algae?
type?
No, something like that.
I think it's algae.
Let us know in
Antriksh.
comments if you're a Spirogyra enthusiast like Shamik and I.
Yeah, please let us know. And let us know top 3
I'm an E.
Spirogyra.
coli fan.
Huh? E.
E.
coli.
coli. I love E. coli.
I
E.
don't
coli is there in
For
all
an
of us.
analog world, a digital
I don't,
virus.
yeah, I don't like the electric. When it went, I like the original coli.
Yeah, yeah.
Acoustic. A. coli.
Snail coli or E. coli.
A. coli, bro. A. coli for life. I think we speak a lot of nonsense. but
Yeah.
This is going to be top 3 nonsense
Yeah, this
episodes.
is
You are bringing something out in us.
Yeah.
You
Yeah.
have to take the credit for this.
No, I
because
don't want credit. I just want to be remembered.
Credit? you know what? You know what I always.
I just want to be a hero, guys.
You know what I say
No pressure.
to the waiter all the time at the end of the meal? Credit where debit is due.
Nice.
That's my thing.
Nice. Nice. Very nice. Very nice. I
Thank
want
you.
to be there next time you do it. Can I? He's actually.
Yeah, हाँ sir, आजाओ sir. दो
Dude,
मिनट में, हाँ.
the funny part is he actually got a call. He wasn't even faking it. He actually got a call.
हाँ sir, आ जाओ sir.
आजाओ, अभी आ
You
जाओ,
think I'll let you wrap up the our podcast?
So, should
We've
worry.
not said anything that's good or problematic so far.
No, I'm not. I'm talking general about podcast.
Oh, general podcast commentary. this
Because
is.
we do so all of this.
Yeah.
And then they're like, no, we'll send you the video and you can take out anything. And we don't want to see the video.
Yeah.
That is true.
It's just
That
like
is true.
too much.
But that's what we do also.
And then we do this trust exercise. Are you sure? No, you have
Yeah.
not put every.
Correct.
You have checked it, right?
Yeah.
Correct.
And they have also not checked it.
No.
Someone else has checked it for them.
Yeah, you are relying on the your hope is that this person is also not wanting to end their own careers
And mine.
and yours. The thing is, what happens is we can't put this part out.
Why?
Because I won't say it. It'll never come out.
Flip masters. I
Something.
wanted to ask you, do you guys do general health checkup, annual health checkup?
I'm actually have to start. I have not done it in 5 years now. Health checkup.
Yeah, I do leap years.
You do?
Only on leap years.
I do World
Yeah.
Cup
Once in
years.
4 years.
Yeah.
World Cup
Yeah.
years, same thing.
World Cup. Now there are too many World Cups, bro.
That's also true.
Yeah.
So I do 3 times a year. That's what I'm saying.
3 times a year.
But if it's T20 World Cup, small checkup.
Small checkup, only upper body. You just check upper
You just see and tell. Don't take blood and all.
Yeah.
Just see and tell what you feel.
20 tests, 50. What about you?
What do you think? How much is my hemoglobin?
You do it every year?
I do it annually.
Damn, dude, that's more than every year.
That's I like that you paraphrased what I said.
Yeah. And if you're watching this, and if you should also do it annually.
Hey,
If you're above 18. If you're below 18, what are you doing here?
How's your vitamin D and B12?
All good, man.
Yeah?
all good?
Yeah, but
That
you
is-
have to, you take supplements.
Okay.
But
Here's my
it's all
question.
good. On
This
the
is
reports,
a
it's good.
serious question.
Okay.
Get ready in your serious. You got it. That was solid. Timing, we'll give you a.
Oh, whoa. Quick
Didn't
drop.
see that coming.
Please, Rahul. This no more, huh? Now you're misusing your power. We'll give you 9 for timing.
Timing.
Thank you, brother.
And
Overboardness.
overboardness, we'll give you a
7.5.
7.5. 7.5.
And one more metric is there, which the
We've
audience
not
will-
figured out that metric yet. They will tell
But I
us.
like how both of you agree on the first instant about the points. It's
Yeah.
just like your minds are connected.
Yeah.
Like
Yes,
7.5,
yeah.
yeah, 7.5.
It's
Hive
like,
mind.
it can be only one of two things. Either minds are connected or we don't give a shit about this. It's one of those.
That's what I was going to. Are you sure? Are you agreeing or you're
What is
just
your
like deciding?
self-evaluation? What do you think as a checkup, a sneeze checkup? What do you think it was?
I think that was a solid 7
On what, overboardness?
on overboardness. Yes.
And timing?
Timing was 9.
Same. Literally what we gave you.
But-
Little less than what
But
we gave
you know the kind of guy I am, right? I'll never rate myself 5.
Yeah.
Modesty is the best policy.
That's true.
And
So is
so
that what it is? I think that's what a slightly deaf person thinks. Have you heard modesty is the best policy? And he's lying to everyone because no one told him that's what it is.
And you know that when you tell someone like they're doing so well and they're like, no, yeah, I'm not. They're being very honest.
That's true. That's true. Oh yeah, my question to you
Yeah.
is
Yeah.
health checkup. What holds me back is I can't fast in the morning. I'm hungry. I want to eat.
इतना नहीं है problem.
तो कैसे होता है? Do they come and take your blood and
That
go?
was, हाँ,
I
papa.
tell the guy to sleep over at night. And then morning just wake up and
I
before I
tell
wake
my-
up just draw blood and go.
I tell my testing guy to fast. He has to fast before taking my blood. So okay, what is
No,
a
they'll come home. They'll take the fast. सुबह आ जाएंगे 7 बजे 8
who
बजे.
do what's a tell some names?
There are so many, I don't want to promote them unnecessarily, but there is
Yeah.
Metropolis is there.
Okay,
They're
Metropolis is a
there.
website.
Yeah,
I go there.
Healthians is there. Yuvraj Singh's.
Healthians.
Oh, yeah, good. And NM Labs are quite good.
So they'll come draw blood and in 2 days you'll
Yeah,
get
they
the-
won't draw. They will remove. they'll draw blood. They'll take it in a. They'll do them. They'll do
They'll
their
do
work,
their
yeah. Right. So there's one fasting
fasting.
again, and then they'll also take urine sample, and you can do other tests also.
That
And then
too.
there's one after
Big
food
pressure.
also you can go in. So if you
Okay.
go to these labs, then you can do an extensive one, and I think that's what you should do once a year.
You do once a year. Since when have you been doing?
Since I got married.
Which is?
Like, I think, no, not since I got married. After a few, like last 5 years, though, I've been doing it consistently.
So when you go to the extensive lab, what is it? Like you do like running tests, like LeBron
Yeah,
James and all they
yeah,
do?
Yeah, you do all of stress test and all that.
You did run
ECGs.
up and down the stairs and then
No,
they
no. Treadmill.
escalate.
Treadmill.
Treadmill. Okay.
And yeah, ECG.
They told me.
They give you like a lot of projects to finish on time, so you get stressed. No.
They told me to run up and down the stairs the once when I went.
Which one is this? This sounds like a fake one.
Yeah, and then
No,
this
no,
is-
it was proper. And I
They
said
didn't have a treadmill.
no.
Oh, poor.
I said I want escalator. They said that defeats the purpose
Oh,
of
it
the test.
escalated quickly.
That escalated quick.
Yeah, but you should do it, man. Because
I think-
how old are you guys? You guys in the early 20s?
like my show business age is like 22.
22, right?
Yeah.
I'm in my early 20s since I was 18.
Yeah.
Like from then, early. Now I'm 36.
I know how old you are. We discussed this in Melbourne. Have you guys been to
Yeah,
Melbourne?
Melbourne's a very nice place. It's the
Dude,
capital
Shamik
of.
killed it in Melbourne.
Oh,
Dude,
come
I heard about
on.
it. I heard the
Single
ripples
hand-
of that wave hit like Kanyakumari.
Dude,
I
I don't want to say the
remember-
amount of Australians who had a
Yeah.
crush on Shamik after the shows. It was just
Just leave
too
it
good.
at that. Don't say anything. Say the amount of Australians that
No,
had
but
crush.
this one was a actually factual statement.
Yeah.
No, come on.
Australian men,
There is no proof.
Australians. I don't want to do like men, women, and all. Australians.
koalas.
Yeah, but
In
not
the-
not like an Indian office.
Oh.
Like there was gender parity.
Yeah,
That's what I mean.
but it was I mean,
Equal number of men and women.
Rahul
were
Subramaniam
in
was
awe of
literally
Shah.
they're like selling out.
don't have to do that.
They were,
We don't
he
have to
was-
do that. As
He
comedians,
was
we don't
selling
have
out
to- we don't have
every
to-
venue. They were like, we don't have a venue for this guy anymore.
You don't
No
have to do
venue
this. You
is
don't have to
big
like I
enough.
scratch your back and you.
I listen. I am going to scratch. I am ready to scratch. All right, take the scratch.
Yeah. And Gautam's a talented
no,
comedian. man.
no. This is
This is always
Dude,
the
that
brutal-
QR code reel of Bangalore Auto Wala. Oh my God! I can't tell you how many times I've watched it.
You know how
It's been plagiarized, and the
Yeah.
plagiarized versions have also got millions of views. That's how.
That's how
That's
big
a
it is.
trendsetter, man.
That's how big it is. That's
Flattery is the art of imitation. bro.
just like just like when Buzz Aldrin touched down, also people were like he got on the moon. That's how
he
big
got on the
that
moon.
is.
He went second,
Yeah,
but he
he died.
came first.
He's dying also second among the two of them.
no. He died already.
No, Buzz Aldrin is alive.
Neil Armstrong died.
No, Buzz Aldrin
just
died recently,
Yeah,
sorry.
just
Guys, do let us know in comments. What do you think? Not what do you know.
Yeah.
What do you think?
Okay, I think how much have you done? This is you're going overboard now.
Why is this overboard?
we
Only
can't.
one sneeze allowed.
We can't. Only
Oh,
one.
only one.
Once.
This you should have said.
It's okay. We will edit your sneezes out.
But I was like, oh, I was getting better at it.
That's what we don't want. We don't want improvement. Then it ruins the game. Cool. We're gonna do a segment now.
Yeah.
This is our celebrated segment. It's the only. It's the only segment called Small.
Will you guys tag me in the videos?
Yeah. Oh, I sense disappointment. Fine, we won't. We won't.
Do you want us to
No,
tag you?
I want you to tag.
We will
Okay,
tag you. We will
okay.
tag you. This is a segment we call Small Talk Different Year.
Yeah.
We are having a conversation like we were, but now it's the year 3000 and scene.
Oh, man, the AQI is so bad. I can't see.
Hey, Rahul, yeah, it's so bad, right out there.
Yeah, man.
Do you remember about 74 years ago
Yeah, man.
when they were like, from here we have to improve things, otherwise it's over.
Yeah.
And look at where we are today.
And it's not over.
Look,
It's
It's not over. We're
It's
still
not
there.
over.
Yeah.
The fat lady has not sung yet.
But I
Yeah.
don't know what our AI president is saying that the AQI is 3.
Yeah?
Yeah.
But what does the AQI president say?
It's a good one. That's a good one.
The AI president is
AI
saying,
president, yeah.
which PRECEDENT,
No, please. No more. No more.
Yeah.
even in the year 3000. Huh. Tell me.
Yeah. You know, I had lost hope after World War VII.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But luckily,
Yeah.
we have turned it around.
Yeah.
When
Yeah.
you say you had lost hope after World War VII, you had thought it's over for
It's over.
humanity.
Humanity is gone. But luckily, only 3 of us survived, and here we are.
And we can't repopulate the earth anymore.
I mean, do we really want to?
Nah.
I want to, but we can't. That's the.
Oh,
that's-
I thought you asked it in a way where you wanted.
yeah. No, I want to.
Oh, then I'm also.
I want more of us. Arey, who's that? Ananya Pandey's son. What was his name?
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
He was quite good.
Ayman Pandey.
Yeah.
Ayman Pandey?
Pandey?
Yeah, correct.
Ayman Pandey, yeah.
He kept his mother's surname.
Yeah.
That's 'cause
Ayman. He was
remember,
a Jamaican.
in
yeah.
the year 2070, we decided to be progressive finally as a society. And we don't take the man's surname. We didn't take
Yeah.
Yeah.
anymore.
Yeah.
No, it was then Ayman, and then he had the other one, what? Chunky, then Smooth. What?
Chunky,
Smooth
then
Pandey and
smooth.
Chunky Pandey. No,
What do you prefer, Chunky Pandey or Smooth Pandey?
I like Chunky Pandey.
What about you?
I think Chunky.
Chunky is better,
Chunky?
right?
Yeah.
You're a legendary actor, man. you
Legendary. Did you also see the new movie?
New movie? There's a new movie?
Remake of Border?
were. Oh, Border 7.
Border 7. This time there are no borders. That's what it's called. When you're-
Borderless.
You go and it's like the end.
Oh my God.
But it's crazy that every time there's a war, they make another version of the film.
They do make
It's
another.
incredible.
Yeah, it's hope.
It's almost like the war is like giving them the opportunity. And they need each other. The film industry needs the war industry.
Yeah.
And the war industry needs the film industry.
That's sad.
You scratch my back, I scratch yours, you know?
Yeah.
It's crazy how we are the last 3 people on earth and still we speak about
War.
war.
Yeah.
It's shameful.
But to everyone watching, we are not the last. That was just a joke. There are
Yeah.
people there.
What?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
man.
Oh.
There are people there. There are people
Yeah,
there.
we are in
Yeah,
the-
so how long have you been doing this podcast for? I remember I came for your first one.
Yeah. That was before World War 6. That
Was much earlier, da?
Yeah,
That
that's
was in
what.
2026.
Yeah, it was before World War 4, but that was before World War 6.
Yeah.
He's this guy, he refers to
Yeah.
things like that.
That's why World War
And
6 was a big moment for
Why
me,
have you
man.
not
That I-
still considered live audience?
I mean, who do we call?
Yeah, it's all
Who do we
radiation
call?
outside. We can't get people to travel. They can only.
Yeah, also, they're like, I'd rather choke to death in my own house than come to your
Yeah.
place. And like, it's uncomfortable.
It's uncomfortable.
And we have made money through this podcast, doing it over centuries
That's
now.
amazing, man.
To install air filters, air purifiers inside our lungs, they can't afford it.
Yeah.
That's great.
I have to change the filter. You just said I have to go and change the filter of
Hey,
my
you don't
air
have to do
purifier
it.
inside.
You don't have to do it?
Just say the AI, you don't have an AI assistant?
Oh, yeah.
Dude, don't talk
I
about
see-
that,
I see-
man.
Oh, you fired?
I see-
No,
Assistant?
I'm in the middle of a breakup with my
Oh, I'm so
AI.
sorry, buddy.
You're breaking up with the AI?
Why, bro?
They all cheated on me, dude.
Oh God.
With
Oh.
who?
With Gemini. Gemini. Dude,
Oh my
God.
that
God.
one boy AI, dude. Why?
I never thought, when back in the day, I was like, AI will not do these
You must have
things.
prompted it.
Yeah.
It was
I was
your
getting
mistake.
mixed prompts.
You gave mixed signals and, this is what
Yeah,
happens.
that's
Don't
what-
blame AI. Not all AI.
But always an
Alright.
AI.
Hashtag. Remember hashtag?
Yeah, wow, those were the decades.
Yeah,
Hashtag
heydays.
throwback.
Yeah, throwback.
Oh, man.
Throwback. Throwback.
Yeah, I think,
3,000.
Yeah.
So where do you see yourself 100 years down the line?
100 years down the line, hopefully dead. I've had enough of this AQ.
No, I'm doing a longevity thing. Do you know Brian Johnson?
Yeah.
Yeah.
he
Yeah.
died.
He's still there.
He's still going? Yeah. BJ is still going?
Yeah, I mean.
Hey, that's his initials.
Yeah,
BJ is still
he's
going?
still there.
He doesn't look a day over 89, I must
Yeah.
say.
That's
Dude,
crazy, no?
it's
It's,
so
amazing how
cool.
long he's maintained the 89-year-old look.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's
Brian
amazing.
Johnson, man. He's this one. And Huberman's son is also, there's this one, no? Matthew Huberman.
Okay.
His
Yeah, yeah,
podcast is also there.
Okay.
He
The
does
last,
longe-
we are the last two podcasts.
Yeah,
His
we are
and
the
ours.
last.
It's
Matthew
the,
Huberman and
It's us.
it's a, the showdown. Who's
Yeah.
going to survive? Last podcast standing.
Wow. Do you remember there was a time when we could not say everything on camera? Do you remember that time?
Yeah,
Yeah.
dude, censorship.
There were
Yeah.
consequences back
Yeah,
then.
man. Oh my God. 3 days back, it was so bad.
It was unbelievable, dude. But thankfully, we've reached better times.
That's great,
It took
man.
7 wars, but we got there.
That
Am I right?
took 7 wars and
But finally, peace. Finally,
Peace,
peace. I can
finally.
feel us uniting.
yeah, this is the 25th P of marketing. Peace.
Chalo, I have to leave. I'm going to Sakinaka.
No, but finally, but don't you think that finally, like, it's been like 7 years of like all this whole thing of like violence and all. Now
Yeah.
we are finally
I
uniting.
love how now there is no discrimination based on any kind of identity.
Nothing.
Everyone respects each other.
Yeah.
We're living in a world where people contribute to each other's success.
Yes.
Yeah.
And it's so amazing. Everyone's kind to each other.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Everyone's kind to animals.
That's amazing, right?
What's
Animals
that?
are kind to us.
We lost that after World War VI. There are no
Yeah,
more animals.
yeah, animals.
The
yeah,
one,
yeah.
the Spirogyras, which was
Oh yeah, Spyro
Spirogyras are, dude, the
Dude.
cutest animal.
Yeah.
I always say
Golden.
cutest.
I have a golden Spyrogyra.
you always say what?
Cutest animal, Spirogyra.
Yeah, and there are no more pandas.
Pandas are
Panda,
done.
yeah.
And WWE is WWF
I've
again.
seen, I've seen old
Like,
like
Panda was the problem. Now it's back to WWF.
pandas, dude. I've seen old black and white photos of panda.
Remember back in the day, pandas were only black and white. It was so sad, man. It was
Sad.
It's all
lame.
multicolor now.
Yeah, I guess still on Instagram.
That's still going on, right?
It's called. It's called Insta.
WeChat.
It's called Instagram now.
Instagram.
It changed.
It's WeChat.
Like,
It's all WeChat
it's like
now.
remember when Gurgaon became Gurugram? 2 years later,
That brand
Instagram
repositioning.
became
Instagram.
Instagram. We balance things out.
Also, I love how
Yeah.
suddenly the old things are coming back in
Yeah.
fashion.
Am I wrong? I
Yeah.
mean, come on, dogs.
Aren't
Like
they?
it's lit, bro.
It's
Bro,
lit.
it's lit
Yeah.
again.
I mean, we don't need these mics and all,
Yeah.
but it's just
yeah, this is a throwback.
it's a throwback.
This is
Yeah.
a throwback. you know?
That's so cool, man.
Even throwback, saying throwback is a throwback. Like
It's
we've
a-
changed everything.
Throwback to a time and I had a throwback to a time and I had a throwback to a time. Yeah.
Reminding me of that one director who used to direct films.
No
thousands years ago.
van or no
Something like that.
no
Something
no
like
Wi-Fi or no
Christopher
no,
Altman.
No van.
no
No, girl.
no Wi-Fi no.
No van.
One second. AI?
Yeah, yeah. Yeah.
No LAN.
No
Oh, no
land.
land.
No LAN. Yet so far.
Yeah, Jonathan Nolan.
Jonathan Nolan.
I think we got it. We got the episode. It's been amazing. Thank you so much, Rahul.
It's
This was
been
an
a
amazing
pleasure.
episode. I think one of our top episodes so
Yes.
far. And before we let you go, this will
you
come
want to
out.
hug me?
That one we don't put on camera. We hug for half an hour before we let them go, but that never makes. That's on the Patreon. But this will come
You
out.
can
in
put that only for members.
members only.
Yeah,
that's what-
members only.
That's what he said.
Members
Just
only. Patreon.
cuddles.
Dude, I took your joke,
Yeah.
made it to mine, and I said it back to you
Yeah.
instantly.
That's brilliant.
Wow. Only if I had done it like a few weeks later, I could have said that we thought of the same
That's
thing.
right. That's how it's supposed to be done.
Yeah.
But, so,
Yeah.
is there anything you want to plug to your,
Yes.
any of our fans?
Yes,
Please go
my
for it.
stand-up special, Who Are You, will be out on YouTube Must already be out. I don't know when.
What's the date it's coming out?
So Feb 3rd week is what
Okay,
I'm
nice,
thinking.
nice.
So it'll be out. So please watch it. It'll be out on YouTube and for free. As of now, that's the plan.
Yeah.
But you can pay as you like and all. And if you
Yeah.
don't pay, also it's okay. But just watch and share and
Perfect.
consciously not putting it on any of the OTT platforms, Amazon, Netflix. I want everyone to watch it. Also, they didn't want me to put it in, but that's
That's a footnote. We
that's a
don't need to-
footnote.
Yeah.
So do watch it and
Beautiful.
Yeah. And I'll be out on my tour in Europe and North America
Nice.
from the latter part of this year, like the second
Second
part
half?
of the year. Yeah.
Beautiful.
So please come.
Please go for his shows. We will be on tour, I'm sure, at some point.
Some point, yeah. Some point this year.
My show is also. You're releasing something on YouTube, right?
Yeah, mine will be post February.
Hey, you're releasing a special online?
No, not special.
He's
Okay.
releasing some material
2-3
online.
videos,
I'm
yeah.
releasing an hour online.
Yeah.
In Feb probably also. I'm aiming for Feb. So
Kaun sa wala?
this is the show.
The one he had in his back pocket.
Pura.
What a guy.
So that's gonna come out. Please watch our shows. If you love Rahul's work, please watch my work also and his work. If you
Yeah.
like our work, he doesn't need you.
Yeah.
No, I do
honestly.
need. I do need.
No.
No, I don't need. I do health checkup every year. You guys don't do it. You save money. I do need. I
Every
do
time,
need.
Once we die, you can watch his stuff. Yeah.
editor, every time he says, I also need cut that. I'm speaking to my editor through the camera. What an arrogant thing to do. Editor, cut this.
Hey, editor.
I
Eyes
don't
are
even know
here.
his name. It's shameful behavior. But great. If you got to this part of the episode, comment hashtag
Panda.
Panda. And if you didn't get to this part, comment hashtag
Whatever you want, man.
whatever you want.
Spyro Gyra.
Spyro Gyra. If you-
Spyro Gyra.
Hashtag Spyro Gyra if you didn't reach here. Hashtag Panda if you got to here. See you next time.
See you
See ya.
next time.